Hey, sir, I'm here to pick up Yennefer.
Nah, she ain't interested no more, so just run along.
But she just called me to pick her up for our date.
Well, that's before she knew you were a leaf muncher.
Leaf muncher?
Yeah, a salad sniper.
A what?
You know, a kale commander.
Sir, I have no idea what you're talking about.
A vegan, son. Gosh, that lettuce done rotted your brain.
I'm not a vegan. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah, same thing.
So you're saying I can't date Yennefer because I don't eat meat?
Son, that kid's been eating deer loin since she was old enough to chew. You see? You don't stand a chance.
Well, that sucks, because I really need some help on my farm.